thanks for coming back and checking out another video. I'm not sure if it's a challenge lock, but I think it might be. No, I think it is actually. It's a 5-pin SC1 kick cylinder pinned by BLP60 and it's called New York Min. I'm not sure if BLP60 is that Bronx lock picker or is it board lock picker or Bronx lock picker? I'll have to, when I upload it, I'll check out the channels. And I think it just needs to be a little bit tighter at the back, because when you pull the key out, I think it's digging all the pins. So I'm just going to hold that core in, and I think what I might do is I'm just going to give it a little bit more of a tighten up. Still not, no. Right, that should be okay. Anyway, the key works nice in it. So we know it's a 5-pin because it says on the key. And there's the key. I think a heavy pry bar will also fit there. Yeah, there's a lot of slop on the core, so I'm assuming there's a lot of handiwork on those pins. I will go in, I've got Boy Bilbo's picking me out, so might as well use it. Getting some great feedback off these pins. I'm going to try my jaw neck next. It's just got a bit of a steeper hook on that one. There we go. Smashed it, 5 minutes. Wicked, man. Let me get the pinning kit. Good thing about this is we don't need to get the fucking circlip off the back, and righty. Everything needed to be picked. You can see that. You can definitely see there's been some work done to the core. I'd say every single. Whoa, look at those pins. No wonder I was getting some brilliant feedback. So yeah, every chamber, I'm not sure if that's it, every chamber is heavily threaded. See that in there. I'll shove that there for now. And I am still getting used to this camera, because when I reviewed the one that I done yesterday, XB Mods Challenge Lock, I think if I hadn't put the camera so close I would have got some decent shots of the pins. I was trying to go too close with the camera. So I'll get them all. I'll get all the gubbins out, and then I'll see what we can do. But I swear there's going to be some nice ones in here. beautiful pin work, and he's been shady with the springs as well, and I swear there's going to be some work done to the Bible, I would have thought. No, maybe not. No, no work to the Bible. Now, let's see what we can do with this. If I get a bit of, let's see if I'll try it with black. I'm just going to try something. Oh, fucking don't fly off onto me sheepskin fucking rug. I ain't really got a sheepskin rug. Not sure I'm alright, it's going to focus in. No, it's not going to work. No. I'll put them back. I'll take some pictures, obviously. But we've got a so we've got a nice serrated key pin in one. Got a deep serrated, like a serrated spool in two. Some lovely fine serrations there in the third one. And I'm not really sure if this camera is doing it justice. And again, in one, we've got like a small kind of groove at the bottom of the key pin, and it's narrowed with a serration at the top. I've got a nice sharp pin there. Serrations in that one. Oh, bit like a mushroom pin. That one. I've got some beautiful pins there, and like I say, I will take photos. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be back with another pick very soon. And that was a great lock by BLP60, New York Min. And again, there was the key. Alright, thanks for watching.